G'day, how you doing? Adam Williams here from Easy Way Photography. Here we are at Serpentine Gorge in the West MacDonald Ranges, just, I don't know, about an hour west of Alice Springs. Absolutely gorgeous. It's just me and my family here. Beautiful little waterhole. You can hear the finches all chirping around in the background, which is absolutely beautiful. And we're roughly about lunchtime, the middle of the day, and you can see on the right hand side very harsh highlights over there. However, I think I can still get a shot out of this if I frame out the right hand side, so leave that out altogether and then capture the exposure so that I'm making sure that I haven't blown out the highlights in the rest of the scene. I should be able to pop up the rest with the shadows, and what I'll be left with is this beautiful emerald green waterhole, these gorgeous red cliffs, and then these absolutely gorgeous backlit ghost gums in the distance there. So let me just grab a couple more shots and then I'll show you what you're able to walk away with in the middle of the day at some of these beautiful West MacDonald Range gorges. By moving over this side here, I can open up that area there, thereby making it easier to frame out that side as well. So the settings I'm using currently, f9, a 50th of a second, which is, it's right on the borderline of hand hold, what you should be hand holding. So I might even bump that up to ISO 200 there, which will then allow me to shoot at, say, an 80th of a second or something like that, making sure I get that shot sharp. Yeah, that's much better right there. In fact, a nice square comp I can see there with that beautiful line of the light through the water there, drawing us into the scene. Okay, I think I've got all I need. I hope you enjoyed shooting with me at Serpentine Gorge in the West MacDonald Ranges. Thanks again for watching along. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.